I still produce the same video content, but I can do it at the exact same time that I'm doing the iorad one, because it really just says, hey, I'm going to go through this process once and say like, okay, I'm going to click on this, et cetera, et cetera. But I've got iorad running that is collecting those screenshots, putting it together. So when I'm done, I can publish the video for people that like to see me walk them through it. The part to me is like, it puts it right into that website. I don't really have to do any other kind of organizing other than like, oh, I want this to be under the LMS section, or this is under an email section, etc. And it organizes that. So it's just a one-stop shop, searchable, and branded. It looks really nice. So my name is Joshua Johnson, and at Wisconsin Lutheran College, I am on the faculty as well as work with academic technology. Usually that's involving training all of the faculty to use our learning management systems and technology really in their classroom, but as well as supporting in some ways students that are also struggling with, interfacing with all of the different technology that the campus has going on. What I was doing before was a lot of screencasts. And then in my role as like instructional design, like I really wanted something, if I'm going to take the time to go through this process and take all of these pictures of what I'm doing and then annotate it and give it to you, I wanted it to look nice. And I really found myself as I was like redoing things over and over and over again, and then spending a lot of time on the design part of it. Like, hey, I'm going to publish this PDF to the faculty or to students. I want it to be branded and look nice. There was just a lot. There was a lot of screenshots, a lot of, looking for a program to help me organize them, to help me put them together nicely, and in my opinion, do it quickly. It really started more as a probably staff and faculty training. Now that we've kind of gotten through a lot of the beginning things, starting to look forward, like knowing, for example, we have a new learning management system coming this summer. It's now building that library going forward so that as soon as we unload it, we can direct them to the portal, the iorad portal, and say, here is where these are documented, and it's kind of categorized. You can find what you need there. And I do a lot on the front end of kind of printing that out and sending it off. Right now, we have it embedded into a couple of places where our normal help desk is. And so the old help desk had some resources and some that are still there. And then there's really just an embed there that focuses people like, hey, for more information, check this out. And it kind of leads them there. So this does the organization, the content creation, the branding, all in one place. I know a lot of people that I've talked to. I'm like, it's worth it. I'm like, just try it out. That's how I started. I think I had it for probably a good year before. Well, and when COVID, that was the catalyst. But now I'm like, I don't know how I would function without it. So COVID or not, but